Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, in our last tutorial, we had learned about context API. So although now almost we had learned all the basic topics of React, and I hope you guys have good understanding for all the React basics, all the basics of React. Today and in the coming two tutorials, we will be learning about HTTP, how we can post data to server, how we can get data from the server. React, although as I told you, React is a front end library that is mainly focused and responsible for user interfaces. Although we need a lot of data that is coming from the server, and many times we need to send a lot of data to the server as well in our web applications. For example, we will be doing registration for the user, the form we capture, the data we capture from the user, we have to send that back to the server, and somehow in logins we need the data back from the server as well. So we have to send a lot of data from our React applications or web application where we are using React. From there to the server, we have to send data and we have to fetch that data as well. Now there is a question coming into the picture. That is how we can send data from the React application towards the server and how we can fetch the data from the React application to the server. Again, React is a library that is mainly focused with user interfaces. React doesn't have any kind of functionality to handle the server request. Beside this, React even don't know the servers as well. There is a server into a picture also. So when these kind of questions come into the mind, there are some sort of HTTP libraries available in NPM package manager or around the globe where you can find lot of libraries that will help you out to send and receive data from the servers using ReactJS. One of them is Fetch. Fetch is a very good library. Normally people they are using that as well, but in our case we will be using Axios. What is Axios? Axios is an npm package that will allow you to send data from React application to the server and receive it back and send it to set it into the props or states to use that data into your server. That's pretty much sure for today's tutorial. That's pretty much sure for the explanation of React.js and Axios and server or HTTP libraries. Let's move to our project, and we will try to install an Axios package in our current existing project where we are working on. I had opened an terminal. Let me move into the project and I will install the package by using sudo npm install AXIOS. This is the command to install the Axios package in your React.js project. In case you guys don't know how to use npm package manager, we have a complete series regarding a node package manager. You can go ahead and try to watch the series. So let me give them an admin access. As you guys see, like my package is being installed, almost installed. Yeah. Now let me close all the files. I will move to the package.json file to see if the entry exists for Axios there. As you guys see, my entry is exist in my Axios folder also. Let me clean up my project a bit. I will just remove all the existing files and folders from the project so we can use them very easily. Let me keep that one, that's fine. So let's move ahead to our next tutorial in which we will be learning HTTP GET request. Stay tuned guys. See you inshallah in the next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.